Building voice AI agents was never been easy. It involved high amount of engineering so that you can continuously capture the voice, transcribe the voice, go to the agent, generate the response and convert it into audio and connect all of these using something real time so that it feels more natural, smooth. In recent advancement of voice bots and voice based technology, we have now a complete solution in front of us with which we can very easily build AI agent, just like I have built an AI agent that helps me practice my behavioral interviews, and it's totally voice based. So let's see that in an action.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hey, what can you do for me?
I am a behavioral interview coach. I can help you practice behavioral interview questions and improve your answers using the STAR method, which stands for situation, task.
You can see how natural it sounds and how smooth the audio conversation is. It was never this much better before. So in this video, let's see how you can build your own voice agents. The voice agent that I have demoed you is built on top of ElevenLabs agents. When you log in into ElevenLabs, you encounter with three entities: ElevenLab Creative, where you can do all the things with audio. Then there is ElevenLab agents. So when you go to ElevenLab agents, you can create agent, create knowledge base, create tools, integration and much more. In the agents section, you can create a new agent. I already have created a new agent here. Here you can provide a system prompt and you can tweak your first message and much more, like changing the voices, languages support and LLM model. Then you can run workflows on top of the agent, connect external knowledge or documents to the agent, connect external APIs to the agent, run tests and do much more things. So once you create your AI agent and provide the system prompts and select the voices and do all the settings and you are satisfied with the settings that you have made, you can publish the agent. Once you publish the agent, what you see is that you will have agent's ID. Once you have your agent ID, you can generate your API key from the platform itself, and then you can go to my GitHub repository, voice agent demo, clone the repository, and if you do so, give it a star. That helps. Once you clone the repository and have the repository set up locally, npm install or pnpm install, whatever you like. Once you installed everything, there is env.example file. You need to fill these values, ElevenLabs API key and agent ID, and create a new file called env.local and place these two and your values into this file. Once you do that, then you can run the application using pnpm dev or npm dev, and once you run it, you will have this page. So this application has this first page, and then when you click on start interview, you will see this page. So basically it has two pages. You can edit both the pages or whatever changes you want to make on the front end, back end, but the idea here is to have this orb kind of a thing, and when you click start interview, it says first basically it asks you to allow the microphone.
Hello,
and then you can see AI is speaking, listening to you and things like that, and there is a clear button and interview. So I would also like to show you that these things are coming from ElevenLabs component library. ElevenLabs components. So ElevenLabs has a components library. On this component library, you can have multiple components related to audio and video things, like audio player, conversational bar, messages, responses, and there is this orb which I was using. You can see there is a distinct color and effects to this orb. that you can use. It's basically React based component, so you can use it. So I think this is it from my side for this part of the video. I hope you have gained some knowledge out of this video, and now you are able to understand how to build voice-based AI agent very efficiently and with ease. In case you face issues running the code that I have shown in this video, get back to me in the comment section. I'll surely try to help you. Finally, if you like the work I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life, feel the music. Peace.